Where does the name for Llanfair-yn-Neubwll come from? So today I'm on Ynys Môn, on Angesely, just south of Caergeliog, and this area that I'm in now is called Llanfair-yn-Neubwll. Let's get into the name.
First we have Llan, an area of land or settlement attached to a church. And then we have Fair. Now, Fair is the soft mutation of Mair, which means Mary, as in Jesus' mum. And because there's a lot of Llanfairs in Wales, we add something to the end so we can tell the difference. Here we add yn-Neubwll. Un means in, and it causes a nasal mutation in the word it's attached to. And then we have neu, which is the nasal mutation of day, a form of dau, meaning two. And then bwll, which is the soft mutation of pwll, meaning a pool. So which Llanfair is it named after? Well, there are two possible ones. One is the ruins of a 12th to 14th century church in a field down facing Cymyran, and the other is an 18th century restoration of a 14th or maybe 12th century church.
And that Llanfair is this church behind me here.
The 12th century dating is because inside the church the font was dated from the 12th century. Now, I'm not exactly sure which two pools are being referred to in the name, but I have read that it refers to Llyn and Llanfair-yn. It appears that the original name of the scattered settlement here was Neubwll, with the name of the church eventually taking over. In modern times, Llanfair-yn-Neubwll is heavily associated with the airbase built on Tirlun in World War II, which is now known as RAF Valley.
So the name literally means the area or the settlement attached to the Church of St Mary in the two pools. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.